Welcome back to Lulua TV Tech. Today I am going to show you how you can partition your disk in Windows 11 or 10. So you can switch on your computer, then you follow along. So you go to your search menu, then you search for create and format hard disk partitions, which is already here. So you click on this, create and format hard disk partition. And it will open this window. I want to enlarge it. So here you can see I have 1, 2, 3, 4 different disks. One is actually a flash disk, especially the last that is labeled as D. The main disk here we want to partition is this Windows C. So you right click on it and then come to shrink. You right click on it and then come to shrink. You click on shrink. You allow it to shrink. Then from here you can input the value you want to create, the new value, which is highlighted in blue. So for me, I want more space in local disk C or Windows C, so that right now I have 821 GB free. So I'm going to divide this using my calculator so that you can see how much you need to input so that you don't put unnecessary figure. So for me, I'm going to, I think, go with the 300 GB. I think 300, we can put 350. Let me put 350 GB so that Windows C can be remaining with 500 plus. So you write 350,000. If you write 3 million, it will come back to 0. So 350,000, that is 350 GB. So you click on shrink. If you're okay with the numbers, you click shrink. So it's creating our partition. Now here the partition has been created. The unallocated partition is here. That is 350 GB. You see our Windows is there. So you right click on this unallocated. You click new simple volume. And then you come to the wizard where you are going to carry on with some prompts. So here you specifically click on next. That's if you don't want to read those things. So from here you just click next, and then here you can choose the label you want, but I will go with the default they have given me, which is E. And you check the first, you make sure you check the first option, assign the following drive, and then click next. We click next, and then from here you check in this volumes will be formatted following this. Basically you leave them like that. You click next, then here you can simply click on finish. So you see we have created the new volume E, which has been partitioned from Windows C. So if you see now here we have two, okay, we have three, but one is actual flash. Let me remove it off. So here you can see our window now has two different partitions. So one can be used for softwares, and then the new volume can be used for keeping your files, especially the desktop files. So it's advisable for you to keep your files in another volume, because if anything happens to Windows C, your files can be safe from the new volume that you have created. For example, if you want to change the window, these files will be safe in this new volume. But otherwise, if you leave them on the desktop, everything will be formatted and you can lose a lot of your work. So it's actually advisable not to save all your important files on the desktop. So you need to partition your disks, and then you save your files in the new volume. So you can see I've cut all the folders here and taken them to the new volume other than the software. So if you found this useful, please do subscribe to Lula TV Tech, and we see you in the next one. Thank you.